My father took me fishing with him once.
Yeah.
My father is a terrible fisherman. My father, Daddy, you are the worst fisherman I've ever seen. I've never seen my father catch a fish.
I was about to say, does he not catch anything?
One day, my father catch a fish. And this is what I said, verbatim. I said, Jesus Christ, God, I come. Same time, the police pull up and said, that fish is too young, throw him back.
One time you get something.
Bro, my father used to be like, Dale, come, we go to Lake Worth. We go to Lake Worth. There's a place in Florida, Palm Beach.
Yeah.
We would go out there, sit down, him would throw the hook, and we sit down and we talk about life. This man would never catch a fish. So till me start like jeer him, like, yo, Bridget, stop.
So, I mean, does he have like...
Bro, I went there and catch a fish beside him. Like,
so what is he not doing?
Brother, I don't know if the fish hook smell bad or this man is you're a terrible fisherman, Daddy. You're a terrible fisherman. My father cannot catch a fish to save him life.
Jaja. People, welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks. She want bad man. Yeah.
Sell drugs, sell weed, chopster.
Yeah.
Hold on. Real. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Like, share. Yazid. Hula Benja. Big up Scoob.
Big up Scoob. Me and Scoob link up in Europe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did he?
The man almost never want to take off the mask.
I was about to say, does he take off his mask at any point in time?
Him take it off, but barely. Like, yo, you just, brother, the man does wear the mask right through. No give up.
Man say, yo, image is everything.
But him cool still, a cool youth.
Yeah?
Cool youth, yeah.
I feel like that, but it's the clip where link. I feel like the boxer did give the person still.
Oh no, man.
Hey, something. I was like, damn, bro.
Scuba good youth, man. Hey, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Want to see the new merch? Hey, want to see the new merch? Son of an immigrant.
I mean,
bad, clean, nice quality.
Yeah, the merch now lurch. I want to them. You see me I say?
How you feel about the new rhythm?
The storybook rhythm? I like it. It gives me like but still I wait. I feel like I not hear the song me I look for yet though.
Pandy rhythm?
Yeah. Personally. Like, but it gives me a vibe like remember when Steven and Mavada had that run back in the day of like come into my room when you're feeling lonely. Then it gives me
like that
energy.
That style there.
Which I love that. I feel like that's like a
all that 2010 like 2000s I work now.
Yeah, which is like I feel like it's working in every like
every genre.
Every genre. Like I'm hearing rhythms that even is like
pop.
Yeah, I'm hearing songs that them didn't even really change the rhythm. This is just like a song when we did grow up with back in the day and them just sing over the song.
Brother,
the same way.
Like right now, the Valiant bad.
Yeah.
The Valiant bad. Options bad.
Option stuff.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Cool yourself.
Yes. I feel like that's my favorite one so far.
Options?
Yeah. But I'm a Nige boy stan, so
yeah.
Nige
boy one bad.
Yeah.
Can I listen to that one? I listen to that the most now.
Yeah.
Still a Valiant one like
the
most,
Yeah, I think it's him and Valiant, and I feel like everything else. I feel like everything else like
Steven dropped this theme one bad.
Yes.
Still think they are the number one though. So Steve one bad, Masca one bad.
Yeah.
Cartel one bad.
Yeah.
Are we just liking the rhythm?
I feel like the rhythm tough. the rhythm.
Are we just liking the rhythm because
bad.
we are gonna say all of the sudden but the rhythm bad.
Yeah.
The rhythm sick.
But that's why I feel like I just haven't heard like or maybe the songs haven't grown on me enough yet for me to feel like, yeah man, that one is
the one.
But rhythm bad though. And I feel like we need more high quality vibes like that.
Your artists, them drop album, sell 113K first
My
week.
artists, them?
Yeah, Clipse.
POV kilos in my back. I think she does and she
Do you
flies
believe
back.
it's 113K for the first week though?
I mean, if you add up streams and everything, I
Because
think
yo,
so.
you know, bots everywhere.
Bots are everywhere.
You know, people are go bots in everything, but
Yeah, but I think if bots were involved, like intentionally involved, like by them, I feel like we'd see like bigger numbers. I feel like them just do the thing and
I feel like you're me think because I don't hear the songs.
I mean the songs aren't club friendly songs.
Exactly. I'm
Yeah.
not in the club to hear them in the club.
Yeah.
I'm not hearing them.
Yeah. But streams.
I
brother,
think I think I am seeing a lot
Yeah.
of clips all over the internet.
yeah.
You know, them do the tiny desk and you know.
I mean, have you played it in the car? Have you like bumped it in the car? It's a car album for sure.
No,
Some album a car album, you know.
definitely.
Some album a car album. Like, you know want to hear it at the club, you didn't even want to hear it at your yard. But once you go in at the car, yeah, man.
I'm just letting you know
Yeah.
that Justin Bieber.
I
has
heard
an
the one
album
with
out.
him and Sexy Red. I'm not gonna lie. I like that one.
Let me tell you something.
But Bieber never.
I'm a
Bieber-
believer, okay?
Bieber
I've
has
always
been-
been a believer.
I'm telling you, man.
Yo, man, come take what everybody shining on. Yo.
But he wasn't gonna not, bro. Let me tell you, Bieber was taking our shine
No matter what.
from before we know some music had dropped. Bro, just the last 2 weeks, all I heard was, you don't understand, huh? You don't understand that I'm standing on business. You don't get it. It's not clocking to you, is it?
Bro,
It's not clocking that I'm standing on business.
bro, the man, out of nowhere, the man does drop an album. Where I got about it? Like everybody have plan and Justin Brothers. Yo, may I send some track when we did have left over.
Drop
from-
an album, the picture is me with my baby climbing.
We name it again. Some crazy, some like swag.
Yeah, I think it's swag.
Like
He
the
don't care,
the man has
bro.
some song from 2015 and say, hey,
Yo, the man do business, bro.
I'm gonna name this swag.
What a swag it
Swag
name?
it name.
Rated. Yeah, swag 2025. It didn't even have an album art on the Google.
At that point, you don't have to do anything.
You just, Bieber drop an album, pre-it.
Well, we're gonna listen to it.
Yes, and it's gonna be dope because it's Bieber.
Is one album so far disappoint me?
Yeah. Which
Yeah, give you an album definitely disappoint.
I haven't heard. I'm not a big Giveon
I
fan
am.
in general. Like I
I
don't like
am.
the
Yeah,
Giveon fans might hate me. I don't like the peanut butter voice. You know the voice, like him sound like him.
'Cause I remember every time.
Him sing like Giveon songs to me sound like there's like 2 T-shirts over his microphone for some
Irony.
reason.
It's like
No,
the
I like
day
it,
that
you
I let you.
I
Yeah,
think his
that's
music is dope, but
forever.
there's just something about it, something about him tone that just don't
Just
resonate with
this
me.
last time. Don't let me regret it, bro. I don't wanna think.
But that album disappoint you?
This song, the album disappoint me. Yo, me not lie, me I look for something to put me in my feelings and
I can't find
nothing.
nothing.
Yo, me hurt. Yo, me not lie. Miss dog. It hurt because
Jaja.
I was like, yo.
I feel like I got that from the Clipse album and wasn't expecting it from the Clipse album.
Like, good?
No, in the sense of I was just expecting, we're back, trapping vibes, right? And then Birds Don't Sing comes on as the first track where they're singing about their parents and how them parents supported and loved them. And, how step away for go support him Pops and now he's back and him Pops give him the go ahead. So now him feel like blessed to be back out there. And I'm just like, damn, bro.
Damn, you got a father in your life, bro?
And one of the verses, him said that. He was like, yeah, Yeah, yo, I have a dad and him care and him was there and him support me. And I can't imagine how ashamed he felt when he found birds in the cupboard. And I was like, damn, for real, bro. You're looking at it like a pops now. I know your pops gone and hurt you, your mother gone. And
because honestly, if my father found birds in the cupboard of my house, my father would ask me, where are the rest of the birds?
So you never gonna say nothing?
My father definitely, my father definitely would say, hey, so you know anybody else where you can get some more of them bird? Yeah?
Big deal want a link for sure. Like, yo, so never know say have them link, yeah, man. No, yeah.
Definitely.
So, come know some people, you know.
Out of nowhere. Never seen this man with a bird in his life. My father? Definitely. Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh.
I hear the first song, then I was like, oh, man, I didn't expect it to start off this emotional, you know?
Brother.
Hit me.
Give you a last album. When me brother, let me know, let me go. Me I expect. Oh my, I know me can't believe. Brother, you ever listen to an album and look for something?
Hoping.
I look for one, like, yo, me just
like,
want,
yeah, this other one.
I just want to latch on to one and then me can just disregard the whole album.
Yeah.
Me couldn't find one. Not one of them songs that give me like nothing, brother.
Who else dropped music? I mean, I just been down
this
from
has
the
been
Clipse.
like a music week, you know.
Yeah, bro, and I like from Clipse. Cause that's my type of stuff, you know.
Brother, you see, give or take, it have, I can't take another heartbreak. Brother, the man, for tonight, don't wanna love, lost me, lie again. At least we tried. It don't work, at least we've tried. Remind me, let me know, like, big, and then
Nothing.
This
I
song,
mean, maybe some stuff might grow on.
no, man, you may tell me no when song good, dog. Them not ready.
None of them not gonna care.
It's not ready, dog. Sorry, Givian.
I don't know. I feel like
Me disappointed bad. The Justin Bieber, him album live up. It live up. It live up to the point of it felt like old music. It don't feel like it felt like he had those songs a long time ago.
I mean, but he probably did.
Most disappointing album of the year got to Lil Wayne though.
I haven't heard the Lil Wayne album.
If you never hear it, it's not bad I hear it.
Just don't bother.
Bad I hear it.
So, okay. So, I think Lil Wayne is an example. And this is no disrespect to Lil Wayne. I think Lil Wayne is a good example of the discussion that we were having about whether or not Cartel went to jail, if that helped or didn't help. Because Lil Wayne is one of the greatest rappers of the recent generation, right? And he's been out and present most of the time, right? And now we're at a point where we're not really business about what Lil Wayne do.
I think that's just entertainment in general.
Yeah, but you know, when he was also at his hypest, right after he got out of jail, he was in prison and then come out, Carter 3 drop, it was over. It was a whole different thing.
Yeah, but him did upon him peak from when he did have the light song right off the back, man. You boy got dance.
But the peak went to Carter 3 and then it just tapered down after that.
I was never no big Lil Wayne fan, you know.
What?
Me used to hear no listen. Me used to hate. So the little picnic them I try. I'm a venereal disease. I'm gonna what's here that big story, see man.
You don't get it.
I'm a millionaire. I'm a young.
All right. By them time there, I don't hear what. By them time there, bro. By the time he's at that level, Lil Wayne is saying anything, you know. He's Lil Wayne. Him can't say anything on the record by then. Before, dog, mixtape Wayne. The problem with Lil Wayne was that you as an artist, you did not want to wake up and hear say Lil Wayne.
This year.
No, not this year. Because I wasn't dissing nobody, you know. You never want to wake up and hear say Lil Wayne dep on your rhythm. Because that done now. If you woke up today and heard that Lil Wayne have a new freestyle and it's on the Loverboy rhythm, that's a Lil Wayne song now.
It's fine.
It
didn't help me.
But that was it. No. It'll just be they're watching this freestyle and they don't even care where the rhythm come from.
But right now, if you have to do that I remember Cartel taking out. I remember Cartel letting Jamaicans forget said it was a Lil Wayne rhythm. Remember when Cartel make lyricists, you know?
Yes.
Isn't that from a
that's from
Lil
a
Wayne?
Lil Wayne, but
Tell me that Lil Wayne song there.
Me not remember it now. But Lil Wayne.
Me still lyricist, vocabulary physicist. Me can't even sing Armstrong properly right now.
I mean,
that boy gets sprung. Look, crook. All she do is make him clean and wash and cook. Crook.
She do everything in the book.
Baby, me love you. So she a look. Ramping shop.
But I mean, to me, Cartel was like
the
Jamaica Lil
Wayne.
He was working as much, you know what I mean? He was recording mad stuff. He had mad free. Bro, do you remember Cash Money Cartel? Like Scratchy B Cartel? When it was like 5 CDs of Cartel alone on military rhythm?
I think people don't understand the work ethic you have to put in for get to a level of a Lil Wayne or in any field where we in.
Yeah.
I don't think people understand the level of work. But think it's easy if you like say it out of your mouth.
Yeah.
But the level of work that it takes for a person to get to that level in music is crazy. You know?
It's simple, but it's not easy.
It's not simple, bro.
No, in the sense of when I say simple, I don't mean easy. If I want to lose weight, I just exercise and eat less food. It's simple. Yeah, is it easy?
But you know the crazy part? There's artists out there that does like have their own version of that with less work, I would think, and make huge hits.
Yeah.
Like, you can't tell me Mr. Bruno Mars in the studio every day.
Not anymore. Not anymore. I'm sure there was a point where he was. Yeah. Until him find, I want to be a millionaire. And now.
Brother, after Bruno Mars drop Millionaire, you know, it's a song a year you get out of this man, you know.
Absolutely. But the song where you get, here's the thing now. The song that you do get lasts a year.
Like,
like that song
run its course.
You go run till me drop a next song. And me not do nothing else till the next song.
Till that. And it a go bad too.
It a go bad. And you go play it for the next 5 years. Because 24 carats still bad.
And that was 2016, you know. Remember the one the man dropped with
with Gaga?
I drink till I'm drunk. Smoke till I'm high.
With Gucci.
Fly.
You can tell me I fly.
And Kodak.
Yeah.
That's a big song.
Big song. Huge record. Bruno don't drop foolishness.
Bruno not missing.
So he can get away with that because him kind of curate how him do it.
Him is an album artist. Not album. Him is a big single push
artist.
The one.
People like Cartel, even Drake to our point. People like Cartel, people
Volume works more for them.
Volume. Yeah, and you see what stick and you just put out a bag of things and then you refine what people like.
Yeah, some artists you get like artists like a John Legend, you know where you get.
You know where you get.
You get a single and an album and you go and go sit down.
And you go wait till the next one drop in a 5 year because I'm just going to show up and playing piano and him good. You know what I mean? But even somebody like remember me catching an argument with somebody about Drake and Cartel with that about. And he's like, yo, Cartel dope, bro. He don't miss. I was like, I don't know if I said him don't miss. And he's like, yeah, he like Drake. Drake don't miss either. I was like, I don't know if I'd say that, bro. I've heard albums that, you know, nobody now listen to Nevermind.
Honestly, Nevermind?
Is that one of his best albums? Would you say that's a hit album?
Bro, don't do this.
What?
Don't do this to me right now. Honestly, Nevermind? You know nobody listen to that?
Honestly, Nevermind is a hit album?
That's a brand new upon it, you know. Brand new. Is there anything I'm doing brand new?
Is that a hit record?
Brand new?
Yeah.
I would say brand new is a hit record.
I don't know. I don't feel like Nevermind.
Let's find Honestly Nevermind.
I don't feel like Nevermind is a hit album.
Okay, so Honestly Nevermind don't have brand new upon it. Honestly Never what?
Honestly Never the only
have Overdrive, Massive. These are the Honestly Nevermind is like the house music album when they drop it.
Yeah, but that never hit. That never hit necessarily.
We are hearing it in restaurants. You know that for a fact. We're hearing it in restaurants.
I feel like you're hearing more. What the next one? What the tropical one name? Listen, I feel like I hear more like them song there in that.
This Virginia done me up.
yeah. Them
Hey,
kind of song
restaurant them never get that. Oh Jesus, my
I'm
Lord.
blem for real. Like, yeah, hear them kind of song there.
Brother.
Blem. Oh gosh,
God,
man.
me that, yo, Delilah would have killed.
Oh,
Oh my
jeez.
Lord, you're gonna, brother, any club in LA, you start here to yeah.
Bro, they even talk about when
I see man turn front for the money. I said, Jesus.
when him run away with when him go Hotline Bling, bro. Hotline Bling, you could not escape on Hotline Bling, you know. That was everywhere.
You know,
I don't think anything on Nevermind reached them levels then.
I'm telling you which song me. Let's talk about the songs that we couldn't escape.
Mm-hmm.
You see, Happy.
Oh Lord, man. Yeah, brother.
Yo, Happy.
Brother.
Happy is the most annoying song me ever put to me ears, bro.
Yeah, man. You just want to hear that. Oh Lord.
It actually make me sad.
I liked it at first.
No, I
like, you know.
These are the songs that are so good. Till we hate them.
Yeah. I felt like that about the other tune. Well, it's not really a Pharrell song, but the Robin Thicke.
The Blurred Lines. You know they got sued for that though.
Yeah, absolutely. For the vibes. For the vibes of the song.
Marvin Gaye and I laugh.
Bro, his estate does not joke around at all.
Them a look for if
Brother, this song sound like Phil's song. It's like, yeah, but we didn't sample or anything. It's like, yeah, but the vibes.
we're gonna sue you off of the vibe.
Off of the
right
vibes.
now.
And there's no way you're going to listen to these two songs and don't tell me, say, you never get that vibe you're from Phil's song.
Which song him said them sample for that song there again? Let's get it on, right?
No, man, not Let's Get It On. It's, I used to go on a pod. I don't remember the song name.
Well, it probably wasn't even close.
No, it was, brother.
It was really close?
It was absolutely close.
Oh,
it
yeah,
was.
so you now I get over that.
Yeah, I heard it and I was like, oh yeah, they took this. Like, I could have immediately told you that they took it from the Marvin Gaye song.
Oh, so that means they're definitely going to get sued for that.
Obviously. If I make you hear the song right now, you'd be like, oh,
Because I'm
okay.
seeing the video with like Pharrell, I say, like Pharrell, like miserable, like he must say, yo, me not come as a teacher music, me never do it.
They
But
didn't-
I think Robin Thicke did say something in our interview where kind of they sync them.
Yeah, he also, the song is also like a sus tune. Apparently it's like some kind of like consent issues in the song. Where it's like, Robin must have bad it up somewhere in the song that I didn't realize. And they're like, oh yeah, that's not good anyway.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's like, oh, okay.
But that was such a big song though.
It was a huge record.
Gangnam Style, me did tired that too.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style was weird for me because my have a brethren that he's like, if you think I'm into anime, bro. Bro.
This man is Naruto.
So he told me about Gangnam Style maybe 3 months before it like really reached America.
Mm-hmm.
Like when I seen Gangnam Style, it was like, I think 2 million views or something. He's like, dog, this is going crazy in Korea right now. And I was like, why are you, how you even know about this? Bro, 2 months time, the man them play it in a dance club, you know. Yeah, here, Busy Signal remix.
I just remember dancing to Gangnam Style and I just remember one time doing it and having to do that at like 3 parties back to back. I was like, I'm done with this.
What about, were you there for the shuffle? No, not the shuffle. What name? Harlem Shake.
Harlem Shake.
You could do the Harlem.
Brother, my class did make a Harlem Shake. When me I got high school, bro, we didn't make one crazy Harlem Shake.
Oh, gosh.
Terrorita. Brother, we had destroyed the whole school. Every class did have their own version of Harlem Shake at KC.
You had to be there. That was like a you had to be there moment. Cause that song completely gone now, you know. When last you hear that play anyway?
Never. You know what? Who they get a? You know who I think is a great artist? Him just drop in, get a big hit dip. Sway Lee.
Yeah, I mean they had cause them about to talk about it, cause they had the mannequin challenge.
The mannequin child. That girl is a real crowd.
But Swaley get a big tune with thing that with French. With
you
French
know that
Montana.
is him write it.
The song.
And French take the song, like French pay him for the song.
So
Swaley never wanted it.
So I heard that he wrote that song for somebody else, and French was in the studio and took the song. They was complaining about him taking the song, and then he bought the song.
Yeah, in bite.
Yeah, and it just became his hugest record.
Yeah, because that song there, I did Swaley write it.
Yeah, international tune still.
Him write a couple songs well.
Yeah,
him have whole heap of like hits.
I mean, they were a big deal one time when they were rumored.
I think it says like him. I think him brother the problem, not him. Him want work and him brother just do a bag of madness.
Oh, Jaja. Cause Swaley be outside too. Swaley be outside like at the parties and thing too. You know, he be working.
Him not miss.
Networking.
Him definitely have him just come in, get a one hit, and then just
he be dropping some stuff too every now and again. But I think he realizes that like his like social currency is probably better if he's more reserved. You know what I mean? But he used to be like,
I would say sometimes
fully outside.
Sometimes you can't mix and mingle with everybody in a dog. It might sound a way, but
yeah.
After a certain time, you have to create a distance between you and people.
Exactly. I think that's what him start though, and kind of like curate him thing more. But there's a lot of brother, when remember when thing that was going crazy when Silento, watch me nip.
Silento in the jail right now.
Yeah, for like
something like him cousin or something like kill somebody.
Something crazy.
Something
the whip nene guy.
Something film did leak, you know.
Yeah. He did
something film did leak. Him did have a picture. Him did have a picture. Wow. Yeah, did have a picture when leak.
Okay.
Silent did have some crazy things when they leak. Cause me and my brethren them, we have a like if we call, we say, yo, I was Silento, and you know what you know what a man call a Silento.
Jaja, call something leak for you.
No, Craig.
He's 27. Convicted felon. When go for?
Even the man named Cash Cobain right now just get sentenced to like cash, you know, the man got a candle around my whip. Cash now. The man just get sentenced to life for some like Rico thing from Atlanta.
What?
Bro, no for the man else got jail. Man got jail in that silence.
Cash Cobain producing now, right? No, him
Him not produce now. Him that jail.
No, as in most recently. Was he making like mad, or is that different Cash Cobain that?
Different Cash Cobain. Right now, the man was sing cash out. Got a candle around my wrist, girl. I'm cash now. Okay, I'm cash. You remember that's on it? First, so rah with that.
So are there two Cash Cobains? Is that it?
Maybe me get the man name wrong. Me no name Cash Out then.
Cashing out lyrics. Yeah, Cash Out.
Him name Cash Out.
Him name Cash Out, yeah.
Cash Cobain are two different persons.
Yeah, Cash Cobain are the
Sorry, Cash Cobain. Me I try sentence you. Sorry.
Cash Cobain are the brother with Bill sang that.
Oh, I love the way your body is.
Yeah. Cash Cobain them.
Brother, look how that song come out for 1 month, take the whole place and then just disappear.
I mean, it still get a forward if it play.
I love that song, you know.
Same. It still get a forward if it play. Just though I feel like it don't play.
Do you know that song is not 2 minutes long?
It's not. Some big tune is not 2 minutes long. A lot of big tune is like all of what name? What name? Boss Mandilo. All of Boss Mandilo songs is like 1 minute and 20 seconds, you know.
Really?
Bro, Boss Mandilo has the shortest songs ever.
Me only really know one song for him still. Mr. Big Stepper, call him Big, no, something like that.
That's practically every song. That's just him vibe, I feel like. But all of the songs them short, bro. Him not do no song more than 2 minutes. Him do the verse, him do a hook, him might do a second verse, maybe, and then the song done.
Well, you realize, but it a change up music because one time song was 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
I mean, it's also, I think, because people digest the song them so much quicker. It's like, you know, you wanted to just put on a song and have the song play. No, them want you to replay. They want you to intentionally replay the song as quickly as possible so it can count as a stream versus you getting the value for your money of just having a dope song that lasts 4 minutes.
Brother, I see Buju make something what makes sense. Buju say, yo, back in the days, you could have buy a CD for $10 and a year CD and a year music. Now, you pay monthly. You pay $10 monthly.
They do that with everything in a bro.
And you don't own nothing.
They do that with everything in a dog. Bro, as a gamer, for somebody who used to play Nintendo and have my cartridge and it's my cartridge, and if everything else cut off, my internet cut off or whatever, I can still play my Nintendo as long as I have my Nintendo, the cartridge, and the CD and the TV. No, bro, if you don't pay your PSN, PS Plus or PSN. Your PSN, your PSN, and then you have to pay the PS Plus differently depending on where you play. Right? So that's 2 subscriptions off the bat. Your internet have on. Regardless,
you have to have internet.
Regardless of what you're playing. Because you're also not getting the game unless you have internet. You're not getting it on the CD.
Not buying a CD.
And even if you buy the CD, the game is not on the CD.
What if on the CD?
Nothing. All is on the CD is probably enough stuff to start the game and access to download the game. There's nothing on the CDs, bro.
So I sell your color now.
Them just sell you a little pamphlet. You're lucky if you get all a book in the thing like one time, you know. You even get book on them thing there.
Long time I don't buy a CD still. I just normally buy everything.
Bro, no.
Because now if your PSN down, you can't play a certain game, you know.
It's over. And that might just be down just because nothing for you.
They might fix something.
And now you can't play no game. Now you can't do nothing.
Yeah, we don't really own nothing. Because right now, if me cancel my Apple Pay, my Apple thing there, it done.
You're not on music. All the thousands of music where you have access to gone.
Because right now, pay. Brother, me's a man. You have YouTube Premium?
Yeah.
I have YouTube Premium now for like 2 months.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I was
telling you. I feel like I was telling you for like 2 years to get YouTube Premium.
I mean, other man say me not get it.
How could you ever possibly go back?
Why everybody that said to me say me never have you. A years my side, me just get YouTube Premium, you know.
Brother, is one of the few subscriptions that I'm like, yo, I forgot vex, you know, because I have YouTube. If I'd cut off Netflix before we cut off YouTube Premium, dog.
Because now me not have no ads.
None. I watch YouTube on somebody else's thing, and I'm looking at them like a poor person now. I'm here like,
how are you not having YouTube Premium?
You have dog, what is this? You have ads on this? Don't make me say 2 ads in the thing. That's the only thing that I upset about with Twitch that I might have to do, but I don't watch Twitch enough to justify it.
Yeah.
YouTube I watch all the time.
Make sure you add me on Twitch, you know.
Yeah.
First of all. JR, add me on Twitch.
You see me? But I feel like with YouTube, bro, YouTube, especially I watch like long form content on YouTube, and some of them be trying to like fully milk the ads. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 ads.
People probably have beer ads, they might watch your podcast.
So people, if you want to watch this without ads, you can get YouTube Premium.
Why not?
You see me? And a part of that will go to you.
I think them say like it pay more when the person have YouTube Premium or something like that. Because brother, me it's not the no ads. The no ads is a plus. But where them really catch me with YouTube Premium is that download button. Where me can download my thing them and watch them on a flight.
Whenever.
Watching them on a flight is the flex.
Fully. Absolutely.
The flex is realizing some of a flight and just saving
just like, all right,
all of them videos I want to watch.
Save everything, and because you have premium, you don't have to keep your phone open either. You can just close it and listen to it like audio, and it doesn't cut off. It don't, chop out or nothing. It's perfect. I think.
Me learn that late.
Yeah, it's one of the few subscription things I feel like is worth
I
it.
still don't own a Netflix, you know.
No? Netflix.
I use my girl Netflix.
I feel like Netflix, I feel like it's more lenient in the sense of it make more sense to do that with. YouTube, I feel like you gotta have. If you watch YouTube, like how me watch YouTube.
Honestly, dog, yo, me not think me need cable, you know. With you, me don't have cable. But YouTube is, I would tell any youth, any girl, listen to me. Before you pay for any subscription, just pay for YouTube first.
Yeah.
Because you might never need no other subscription, just YouTube.
I don't watch nothing else, you know. Bro, before I watch a movie, I will watch a YouTube of somebody breaking down the movie.
No, I'm gonna watch a movie.
It depends on the movie. I would do it for a movie that I don't necessarily want to watch, but I want to watch.
Me not watch Sinners all now.
How have you not watched Sinners?
We talked about this already.
How do you go through life hearing people talk about like all these amazing things?
Me don't go watch it.
So you don't want to be a part of any global conversation that's happening.
Me not watch Sinners. Me not watch Skid Games. Squid Games. Me not watch none of them.
Jano, bro. How you not watch Sinners yet? Sinners is good. I feel like it could have better, but I feel like it's good.
Let me tell you,
it's worth a watch, I think.
But watch the Rod Wave music video though. That count.
How does that count?
Because they have little scenes from the movie.
Yeah, but you have no idea what's happening in the movie though.
No idea. My only hear, I'm telling the part that Sinners I know.
Yeah.
The part when she say, but then you stick your tongue so far down my... me hear that. Me hear that whole heap of play.
Yeah.
That's the biggest line in the whole movie, apparently.
You know what's so crazy about that part of the movie to me? I feel like the movie could have been a better movie if that whole plot line was taken out. But analyzing it now and looking at the response of it, I was like, okay, it probably wouldn't have been as big of a movie.
Sometimes you have to just add madness in it, you know?
Just to bring it on.
Like even in Sprinter, why am I having sex through a grill? There was no need for me. There wasn't a reason for me to be having sex through a grill.
But, you know, it gets the people going.
But hey, Grill Master.
Mad. And that sell the whole movie.
Like nobody cared that I never had a mother. Nobody cared that I felt lonely. Everybody was like, oh, he had sex through a grill.
No, nobody cared that you're in a potentially bad environment and trying to make the right decisions.
We don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear that.
Now you see the part when beat it through the grill. Crazy though.
That's the part. That's the part that everybody wants to see.
I think that's my only issue with the movie. I'm like, man, I wish more backstory on the villain was there that I could like, you know, because I'm sure the villain has his reasons for what he's doing. He's an ancient creature that we don't know anything about, right? You don't tell us nothing really about that guy.
You tell me about things I don't even know. All right. This is another crazy take.
All right.
You might lose it right now. I've never watched a single Star Wars.
I have also not watched Star Wars.
Not a single. I've never watched a single Mission Impossible either.
Mission Impossible is good.
Never
Mission
watched
Impossible
one.
is not, I don't feel like it's as necessary to watch as like cause Star Wars has its own like.
I think Tom Cruise overdoes it. I'm over it.
That's his vibe though.
I'm over it.
The fact that he's like 75 jumping out of plane still, however old he is, still like
holding on to planes and
freely, like in the air. Like risking his life as an old man to climb the side of buildings and to climb planes and things. Like where are you?
I am definitely watching that F1 movie though.
Yeah,
with Idris.
So I don't know anything about it, so I don't know what's going on with it yet. But based on how much I enjoyed the Gran Turismo movie, I'd watch the F1 movie. The Gran Turismo movie was actually very good.
I am a big fan of F1. You know?
Yeah? F1 is crazy to me, bro.
I think
It's like,
F1, I think as a man, you get more interested in F1 the older you get.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Like you are on the verge of liking F1.
Absolutely.
Let me tell you why. It starts with watches. No, I'm just being honest.
This is true. Yeah.
Your first interest as a man, you start get older, your first interest might be cars.
Yeah.
But as soon as you pass car, now you're like watch. Now you are going to want to be at events that where people go and show off their watches.
Yeah.
And cars.
Yeah.
Because watch go with car. As man, watch go with car. So now you are let me go to these networking events. Now you see when you start going to networking places, like me see you go and you start look on different type of watches, and now you look on AP, and you look on Dubois, and now Cartier, and you look on every single watch brand. Now you start, now you still want to look on like Watches and Wonders, different type of watches. Nico Leonard, the watch guy.
Yeah, I follow Nico.
Roman Sharf. You're going to start looking at the different Miami. You look at Richard Mille. You look at the different type of Rolex. Once you go one of them event there, you see when you see them man there, you just have to take one F1 shirt.
Yep. Yep.
One man that will be there will have on a F1 shirt.
And it's over.
And then you just watch. Now you just want to know, like, all right, when is it coming to me?
Yeah, when is so all right. So no need for the first time I watched that F1 race, bro, I was like, come I used to see them, I used to like see them and I was like, okay, this.
Have you ever been to an event yet?
Never been to an event.
That's what I am doing this year.
Yeah. Go to an F1.
No, I am fully like invested now in F1, like fully.
Bro, driving some 300 mile, 200 mile very closely together is so...
Brother.
It's so dangerous. Even as simple as it looks, it's just... but it looks so...
And then me always like the
deadly.
underdog. Everybody like Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's cool.
Yeah.
He's cool. I'm not... Lewis Hamilton is there.
So who's your racer?
Well, me don't even know him. Fernando.
Yeah. Does he what him drive?
Fernando don't really have no personality either.
Does he?
I think we did start watch Fernando when he did a drive for Aston Martin.
Yeah.
Aston Martin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who him drive for now? Benz?
He's probably still there, Fernando. Comments. A F1 person is watching.
Oh,
this.
for sure. For sure.
Clear, I'm telling you, people who watch this are people who have things in common with me,
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
that do you feel like that's your new like big man obsession? Well, that sounds crazy. You're
Wow. Wow. Oh my Lord. Yes. Yes. Listen, so why your new big man obsession now? Like
I don't really have a big man obsession.
you just said it. Got him. We got him. We got him, man.
But something I've been looking to get into more of is, I don't know why, bro. I want to go fishing. Yeah, laugh. I want to go fishing, bro. I don't want to fishy things.
Oh, God.
But, get a boat. You know what I mean?
I'm not there yet.
No.
My father took me fishing with him once.
Yeah.
My father is a turbo fisherman. My father, Daddy, you are the worst fisherman I've ever seen. I've never seen my father catch a fish.
I was about to say, does he not catch anything?
One day, my father catch a fish. And this is what I said, verbatim. I said, Jesus Christ, gotta come. Same time, the police pull up and said, that fish is too young, throw him back.
One time you get something.
Bro, my father used to be like, Dale, come, we go to Lake Worth. We go to Lake Worth. There's a place in Florida,
Yeah.
Palm Beach.
Yeah.
We would go out there sit down him, would throw the hook, and we sit down and we talk about life.
Yeah.
This man would never catch a fish. So till me start like jeer him, like, yo, Bridget, stop.
So, I mean, does he have like...
Bro, I went there and catch a fish beside him. Like,
so what is he not doing?
brother, I don't know if the fish
not a
hook
bait
smell
or
bad or this man is you're a terrible fisherman, daddy. You're a terrible fisherman. My father cannot catch a fish to save him life.
Jaja. That's crazy. Don't be have brethren where... Me have brethren where go fishing and I see them catch some big trout and I'm like, ja, no.
Brother, I used to see my father turn to him wife. Him not, baby. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man, baby. Don't buy nothing today. I'll catch dinner tomorrow. We would die. We are gonna die.
Pull up back like, yeah, we're gonna stop down on the thing. They go grab 2 snapper the fear car.
Yeah, my father now catch no fish.
No, never the 2. Yeah, man, the lake never that pop today, you know?
Brother, one time the man found in back. Yeah, man, look how we catch, man. Somebody say, why? Go on, good man. Maybe I me salt.
Yeah.
That me I say no. Following day we there at the shop. Him a work on a car and him have a brother named Natty. So Natty forward. So here Natty no. Twin then snapper there when me get yesterday. Them bad.
No catch nothing. I'm like, yeah.
Brother.
Nice, see?
And Natty go fishing and sorry for that. I said, Jesus Christ, I will give you 5 fish or something. You not catch a fish to save your life.
Jaja. That's my one fret of going out there and spending like 8 hours and just coming back like,
Brother.
yeah.
Going fishing with my father, I just father-son time reasoning, but here, this man is not. What we're not doing is catching a fish. That's what I can guarantee.
Jaja.
That is not catching a fish.
That sound, boy. I mean, it's the camaraderie. You know what I mean? It's just bonding time.
Let me tell you what I am into now.
What?
Like, the older I get, I am more into... I've been into watches for like 3 years.
Yeah.
No. Me in watches now from like... But I've been into watches from like 2018. But I've like started to buy watches in like 2021.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cars, I always like car. Now, me into golf.
Golf?
Yeah.
Do you play?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it just
Golfing
like
is
one.
fun.
You just have to find a friend when like play golf, you know.
Yeah, golfing is fun. I like playing golf. I just
like-
don't usually have nobody that I want to play golf with.
My swing is crazy. Let me tell you this. Like,
Okay.
like all them bench press the way you see me I do, brother.
Whack!
When me slap a golf ball, it gone. Listen to me, gone. Have you ever been to Top Golf?
Yeah, one. I never really played.
I hit the ball outside
of the fencing. Terrible.
in a Top Golf.
Jaja. Jaja. Problem. You gotta go play golf then.
Like when I play golf, brother, me just love hear the sound.
What? That's how you know you're the right crack where you
Yeah.
brother.
You see that was the first one, you know. The big, you see the big one. But me like use the 8,
8 iron.
the 9, the 8 iron, the 9 iron. Clearly, because you know what's funny, like when I live in Jamaica, my golf, me have a golf racket in the back of my yard, but it was weapons. It was for beat people with it.
Yeah, I feel like that's
all we'd use golf bat for Jamaica.
I feel like that's all we knew it for in Jamaica.
Golf bat. Remember I beat a crackhead with a golf bat.
Why are you like?
And he might tell me, say me hit like a bitch. Tina Milk, you hit like a bitch, man. You hit like a bitch. You hit like a bitch. Tina my mind. Mad. No. But golf fun.
Yeah, I like golf.
Golf is where you have some of the most... You me think what me like with... Why as man, we the older we get, we start like them thing there. It's like you're going on one different phase of your life where it's no you find people who are interested in what you interested in.
Yeah.
And are just some new friends, new experience. Because now it's like you're there, you go up on the golf court and you see a virgin, them wife start call them and them a show you like picture of them pitney. And like I said, I think it's time.
Yeah.
I think I'm old now.
Yeah,
I think
it's.
I'm.
I need to buy some chinos. Is that what you're saying? I need to get some, see what's going on.
Buy some little chino pants and
go down to the.
I just wear gym shirt.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with a gym shirt golfing.
Very true. Very true. Or like a polo.
Mm-hmm.
Polo all day.
Brother. And riding around in the caddy. Brother, I'm telling you this. When you go to a golf course, 85% of them man they drunk out of their mind.
That's the whole point. So that's why boy I go. That's why fishing and them things too. Cause I just drunk people drunk enough.
It's just drinking.
Yeah.
Drinking and chilling. You just a drink, you talk, and you
can't
just
make
fish.
no man them know, cause them
No, but the crazy is
yeah.
like women. When me realize, my father that said to me say, when him just start go fishing, him woman used to be like, oh yeah, where go? Until him say, may I carry her with me one day.
Oh yeah, you don't want to go.
When him carry her, she never complained a day in her life again because it is so boring to them.
Like yo, this is I come out here and try.
Brother, golfing 18 hole, you know.
Yeah.
You have to sit down and lick 18 hole, you know. Wait, no, hey, you have to sit down. You have to sit down.
Yo, dog. What?
Oh my God.
Bro.
Yo.
Bro.
All right. We're not even gonna take it out.
You know what I think it is?
We're not even gonna take it out. We don't even care.
I think it's the wanting to just say what you're thinking, but because you're still Jamaican.
The English
And
language.
you say it in your Jamaican way.
Because you know what I mean, right?
Yeah,
you know
exactly what you mean.
Exactly. Is 18 holes in golf.
And you have to play all 18
You have
of
to play
them.
the 18 of them. And you have to lick the ball. You have to lick the golf ball, you know.
Yes. But boy.
But Jesus Christ.
Man say, oh, dog, you have to sit down and lick 18 holes. You know? Jaja.
Oh,
I mean, I feel like eventually they had to invent golf caddies if that's how man them was playing
because
golf this
it's
whole
big,
time.
you know.
Yeah, it's huge
brother,
fields.
It's a whole Florida has the most like golf course.
Yeah?
Yeah, Florida have whole heap of golf. LA have like about 3 golf courses me like. There is one up in like Chatsworth.
Yeah.
When we go already. There is one in a like Van Nuys area. There is one down by the airport.
Yeah.
Like Winchester or something like that. There's that. And then there's one down by like Manhattan Beach. There's one down by Manhattan Beach. Yeah, it's like, yeah. We know a couple of them, trust me, man.
Yeah. Okay.
But
I feel like is it more expensive? Like the clubs are expensive, right?
brother, you can buy
Or can you rent them?
you me though. When you go up and offer up, you will
Just
see
buy
a man that
somebody.
sell a whole golf thing for all bills 50. You get every stick in it.
Yeah. Makes sense.
And once you have that, you have your tea time.
Yeah.
You pay for your tea time and you just spend the whole day. You buy a bun or whatever and drive around and you can carry your own shit, you know.
Okay. Just carry your things and just drive
You
around.
can carry your liquor with it in your bag, you know.
How long is a full 18?
18
holes?
hole?
Yeah.
No man, if I 18 hole, you go there. You do the whole day.
Like whole day, like a good 12 hours potentially. 8
No
hours?
man, yeah, trust me, brother. Trust me, if you did it. If you did
Come on,
it.
a quick game is like 3
4
holes.
hours.
Yeah.
Remember, it determines how much hits you take off at each hole.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because
is
like
true.
are you
Your
going to get a
par.
birdie all the time?
Your par or you know,
birdie,
or
how much par. So
Yeah.
it's different.
true.
To forget a birdie damn near
Yeah,
almost.
you have a good.
And even when you're good,
Yeah.
you're not going to just get the
Yeah.
first hole
Yeah.
like that. It take time.
Yeah, for sure. I feel like people like golf is very hard, you know. If you try to play golf for real and be good
Yeah, but
at
you're
golf,
not an athlete. I don't care. If you play golf, you're not an athlete. Let's not do this. You're not an athlete. You're a golfer.
I think the thing that takes away from the athleticism of golf is the caddies. Because
listen, if they had to
if
walk,
you was walking to all of the hits every time.
no, it's sports, you know.
Yeah. It's a sport, but
it's not an athletic sport though. You're not an athlete. You're a sportsman. Come on, let's not do this. You're a sportsman.
Would I call an archer an athlete?
No. If you're a bowler, if you're bowling, you're not athlete, virgin. You're bowling.
So okay, all right. Let's look up the official definition of what an athlete is. Because I feel like
Not a golfer.
I feel like they should technically count.
No,
All
you're
right.
lazy.
Terry, where you there? Define athlete. All right, what you got for me? An athlete is a person who is trained in or skilled in physical activities, sports, or exercises that require strength, speed, endurance, coordination, or agility.
Okay.
So technically, they are athletes.
No.
What do you mean? You have to coordinate for play golf.
Agility?
Or it didn't say and. It said that requires strength,
Speed?
endurance, coordination, or agility.
Speed?
You don't need speed, but you need coordination. You need to know how to hit the ball
But
to
it's
the hole.
endurance or agility.
It requires
It have a bunch of them.
physical, which means it could be any one of these things.
No.
That's exactly what it means.
No.
Physical activities, sports, or exercises that require strength, speed, endurance, coordination, or agility. So technically, a bowler is an athlete.
A bowler and a golfer and an athlete.
You have to know how to hold the ball. You need the coordination. You need to know how to bowl, how to put spin and...
But what level of strength do you need to bowl?
You don't need strength, but you need coordination.
You need to have all of them the one time.
I mean...
If you don't have all of them, you're not an athlete.
I'm sure you need to be strong enough to hold up a golf ball or to hold up a bowling ball. Them can't get them athlete credit, man.
No.
I feel like them can't get them athlete credit, bro.
No, you throw darts, you're not an athlete.
Examples like sprinter, football players,
Yeah.
swimmers,
Yeah.
gymnasts,
Yeah.
and even e-sport players in some modern contexts.
What e-sport mean?
Like if you play Call of Duty. Yeah, man, coordination. My gamers out there, you're all our athletes.
No, you're not. You're not.
Don't let them track
No,
people
you're not.
here.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
You see me?
You're a nerd.
You're athletic.
No, you're a nerd that plays games. I play video games, it's fine. But you're not an athlete. You're sitting down, you're home, you're eating.
Yeah,
your
but you're
Uber Eats is
coordinating.
coming, your woman is ready for you to come into bed with her and you're playing
And
bed.
you're coordinating. It's coordination, bro. It's hand-eye coordination.
This is what we're not going to do.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you what I know.
We're not going to do. Me can't wait. But more I get one of them like F1 jacket looking thing there.
Yeah.
Them just look.
More one of the motor jacket.
Even just the regular shirt, I think sick. With
Yeah.
the hat. Not like I'm at the ball head.
Are you gonna go through like a hat phase?
Of course. Of course.
You got to do the round brim, you know. You have to do the round brim.
I don't know. I'm not going to get to that level.
No?
If you see me, I wear a hat with no brim.
No, you have to get the one with the full round brim, man. Like the fedora type, you know what I mean?
I get a F1 jersey, like.
Yeah.
Because somebody, it start with like, you realize Porsche and Ferrari have like them Porsche bag. Mm-hmm. You know, them
Get
Porsche shirt, a little Ferrari hat.
Ferrari hat and thing. You can buy like a Ferrari wallet. You know?
Because I get a couple of them with my car, you know. When I buy my Benz,
Yeah.
I get like the Benz hat, Benz bag, I get a Benz shirt, one black Benz shirt.
Yeah.
It fit me good to me. I say, you know, say, I get a Benz umbrella. Oh, now try trap me.
Yeah, man. Luxury.
I like a Benz book.
Make it look like, yo.
Yes.
You see me?
No, me I say, John, no. If me I go buy a Porsche, I want all the memorabilia there.
So I feel like I say when the Rolex people try try to catch you every time to car. Every time I go Rolex, them, hey, you want one of the new Rolex magazine? Is out. I was like,
They're going to give you everything except for the watch.
Yeah, of course. I'm like, I'm not going to read this, but it's great. I'm not going to not put it on the coffee table.
Brother, they're going to give you everything except that watch.
Fully.
Rolex, I going to give you
anything you want.
Me say, you're thirsty, we give you some water for drink.
Yeah, man. We actually have, you want some hors d'oeuvres? We have,
but your money where you have, we don't want it. Because we're not selling you a watch for nothing.
It's so crazy, bro. The fact that you have a store where you're not selling things
on purpose,
intentionally.
You have all of them around the back, but me, I just don't look like I can own one, so I'm not selling you.
And you know what? Even if you could, by the road, it's not even in our control really. By the upper heads at Rolex, you're going to have to. It's like a 6 month for which one? Which one you want? That's. And
guess what? They will never call it too. The first watch Rolex offered me was a female watch.
Oh, the little like the 30mm.
Yeah.
They just them. Look a baby face. They just.
I say you want to take man.
You can get that now too.
You can buy that now if you're going there. You can buy it now.
Right now, make you want anything. You make you want anything 40mm up.
You want them laugh off of you? Walk in there, ask for all one Daytona. They laugh off of you from now till I'm mad. They say,
the only Daytona. Last time I got out, I was like, me and my bridge guy, I'm like, watch this. You guys have any like Daytonas we could try on? I said the only ones is this one right here in the wall. In that, and it can't come out of the wall. It can't
come out.
It's like Jaja.
But them know though, because honest, if me walking on Rolex right now, as I if me broke, me I throw that on a credit card. Send me that Daytona, then no.
Right now. Right now.
Right
we're
now.
We're not gonna repo it, but
yeah.
You see me?
No, me I buy it right now. I'm gonna sell it as me walk outside.
Immediately.
Before me exit itself.
Immediately. Yo, yeah man. How much you have? Yeah man. Gotcha. Easy peasy. Brother.
That's just the crazy part about like growing and like luxury. Liking different like luxury things.
Have you felt like you've shifted interests in anything, like anything that you used to like that you just don't and you're getting older?
Clothes and party.
Yeah.
I don't like partying anymore. I like Vegas type of party.
When you say Vegas type of party, what you mean?
EDM. Put me outside, no shirt, unst.
Okay.
Still like unst. I love a bar. I would go to a bar.
Yeah.
Zen type of vibe.
Okay. Very like ambient.
Yeah, yeah.
But not necessarily like somewhere where it's like. What about like rave type?
I got Donovan's yard the other day.
Yeah.
For 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Walk in. I never have me hear you. I was there.
Yeah, I was like, are you there? Were you there?
Bro, me walk in.
Yeah.
Go all the way down to the back. Me see her perform. And I say, I yell crooks. And then I just go on back. I just walk out and go. I was not there for 5 minutes.
Come in, I wonder if you go forward enough.
I left. I walked in.
Yeah.
And left. I was like, I cannot do this.
Just no, you know.
Brother. I just know me like no more.
Yeah, I like that. I like when there's a space for everybody. I'm not mad at parties. I don't like super crowded parties like one time.
But I don't like sections, you know. I don't want a section, you know.
No, I don't want a section either.
But just don't want it so crowded.
Yeah, same. I don't mind standing in the middle of the dance floor and being able to like chill in my zone, right?
I love them little like white bar there. Or all if it pack is not. It's not that it white why I like it. It's the vibe that yo, if me step on your shoes, you're gonna just look for me and smile, and we're gonna just have a conversation. And we might turn friends. You might offer me a drink.
Yeah.
We might offer you a drink. We just have fun.
Yeah.
There is nothing, no animosity there. The women them that we normally do this, them normally kind. Them not normally, like, you know, if I try to talk to them, but them will still have a conversation. Hey, what's going on? It's different.
Okay.
It's me personally, me not left my house. Me not come out of my house now for getting in a fight. For nobody throw me off. But just come out of my house now for have a good time and going back.
True.
So if that means I go out and the ambience I got for different and me listen to some and then play 1, 2 Drake, God knows I'm trying.
I mean, things right. I've seen certain things happen at some of them spots.
Exactly.
But it gets quelled down very
the
quickly.
Atmosphere is totally different. Like, true. I love, like, normally like go to like, there's like a spot like in a Manhattan Beach where it's like a bar and it's cool and people, it's a rum too.
Yeah.
But it just feels safer. It just feels safer. It don't feel as like boisterous. But sometimes I like them, the boisterous thing, I think it's fair time.
Okay.
But if me have a preference, no, I don't want none of them. I don't want none of them. I don't like them energy anymore.
I feel that. I feel that. And I think that's really a big signal of getting older.
It's crazy though, because if somebody try to explain it still.
At 22?
Like if somebody try to tell a 22-year-old, say, yo, you see when you start go into 30 or when you start get older, you are not going to like this anymore. It is going to seem insane to them.
Bro, it's so interesting when you get older and start to like be
other
honest,
stuff.
not even like other stuff, you know. But when you start to be honest with yourself about what you like and what you don't like.
Like not caring anymore?
I don't really like doing this. I don't, it's like, yo, going out used to be, yo, you're forward, I do this tonight. All right, cool. Yeah, man, I'm there, forward. You're not questioning whether or not you wanted to do it or not wanted to do it. You're just going. After a while, it becomes, yo, I have some things for doing, No, man, forward. All right, let me see what I go. Me roll out for a little bit. I know you negotiate.
And then you roll out and you are going back home so fast.
I know it's just like, dog, something I really like that. I notice as I just don't like doing it.
I notice some spirit I change every time I do this. So.
Yeah, every time I go there, I'm just like, I just don't like, as I go there, I want to leave, so I'm just going to.
Brother, you know where I reach me all right now? I am over city.
City?
I am over the
city life?
Yeah. And I've been over anything now. I'm gonna go back. Cause remember, I used to live in Woodland Hills.
True.
I was
Yes.
I was out of the city.
People. For do them episode back in the day, was easily like an hour drive to get to where Dale is. Cause Dale don't want to live nowhere near civilization.
I've never liked living in the city.
But I mean, I've never been super big on city life. I just like the convenience of city life. And that's all I'm like.
I used to think
Yeah.
that is the convenience me like. But no, me being here, I'm a student being there, and me traveling so much, and I try to expand when I do so much. Brother, want to go with me happy morning time, brother. Me I go right, me I go back. Me I go have to find somewhere down south in LA, like down by the South Bay. Me I go back down there, so.
Yeah.
Either me I go find, thing is me can't afford to live like the Manhattan Beach and the Venice and the, but me I go find somewhere in that surrounding area there.
We're near to the water and them kind of thing.
Yeah, when me can wake up a morning time, me can hear the ocean again, and
okay.
I'm then near the airport. Because really and truly, me being in here, I don't see what benefit it have for me now.
I mean, it's just, all right.
Convenience.
The
Now
convenience.
you're closer.
Yeah.
So now we can meet up in like 10 minutes.
Yeah. But it's like, outside of that, I mean, I don't, outside of like working and linking up, I don't do much. So being inside is usually what I'm doing. So
look,
I'm not, you know,
all of
being in
what
the city,
I do and enjoy doing
is inside.
No, is by the beach.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Like,
true.
On a Sunday when me there, Santa Monica ride bicycle.
Ride bicycle, true. Yeah.
Or nighttime, me drive go Manhattan Beach or Hermosa Beach, me go up on the pier, me look out. Like restaurant, me gone out there so.
Yeah.
Bungalow, me gone out there so.
Oh yeah, so for you it really
Everything for me, me drive go out there now.
Yeah.
My dentist out there. Like,
okay.
Like,
I'm usually inside, like I'm going to Trader Joe's, grabbing something, coming back in, cooking. I'll be inside I'm inside most of the time.
Exactly.
So for me, the outside, I'm not really, it's really the neighbors that upset me about
every
living in the
minute
city.
me I hear ambulance and all them bombas in there.
Brother, I have a neighbor right now where I don't know if him having a bad run with the stock market or what, but brother, every 2 days, it sounds like him lose a bag of money upstairs. Like, I'm just hearing, Dan, I need money. I was
Like literally I said that?
yeah. And I'm like, oh, so like the trade never go good this morning.
Time crazy right now, yeah?
Brother.
Time crazy right. Brother, me nah money for waste now, you know that?
Brother.
That must be mad.
No such thing, dog. I was like, okay, yeah, I could see the country life being better than that, you know.
I not really country, you know, dog. It's just the more, all right.
Quiet.
We go back down there, so. Yeah, I think it's my first experience of LA.
Mm-hmm. Like in the city of LA.
So when I just moved LA, my first, remember I come here, thank God, but you know Richard Jefferson, who's who me stay with when I just come here.
Yeah.
Richard Jefferson, you know, put me in his house, make me stay with him family, and you know, me used to wake up, used to go ride the bicycle, me used to come home. It's the most memorable part.
Yeah.
That's the LA that I didn't know. It's just that I used to drive out and I go Santa Monica, I just drive pan Jefferson, the back road, them US 1.
Yeah.
Rosecrans. Like, you know, go up in a like close to like almost going to like Inglewood or the park them and them like a thing. So
yeah. The parks over there is really nice.
So that was the LA when I know until I move. But North Hollywood. Go North Hollywood, I never like it.
Yeah.
It too young, it too fast.
Yeah.
Move go Woodland is.
Yeah.
Like
North Hollywood is always giving like a shift around.
Yeah.
Like every couple of years.
Yeah. Woodland Hills is my most loved place.
Yeah.
Now that I call me in the city again, you know, bad. But the winner is still
Woodland.
Woodland is in terms of, but Woodland is not the beach because now we used to have to drive through the mountains.
Yeah.
To go down
but
to
the
the
mountain
beach.
drive nice though. If you
I used to love it.
oh man.
But guess what? I mean, I get to wake up in the morning and I hear the ocean and them look at thing there. So the next chapter of the evolving for deal,
yeah.
I gotta be back. I come back out of the city.
Nah lie, I feel like you would like
Orange County and Dunga place. I probably would love
Orange County.
Dunga.
I feel like you'd like PCH, like the Pacific Coast Highway side.
That's the most memorable thing for me at LA, driving down that road.
Bro, Bolinas. I know the people who go Bolinas don't like when people talk about Bolinas, you know. But you would absolutely love Bolinas. It's like a little hidden town. It's like a little surf town. People used to like tear down the signs so people wouldn't find it. And they're off grid. They're right by the water, in the middle of like a little forest. It's just like farmers markets, and there's one bar. Everybody there knows each other. It's like it's a very quiet, chill town. It feels like there might be something.
It's mysterious.
It feels like there could be something like you could go missing there potentially.
That is how I felt when we drive up in a like. So from Woodland Hills, Calabasas is 10 minutes.
Yeah, Calabasas is nice.
So we drive through Calabasas and see like the little bar them and the people them. I remember the first time we got Calabasas was actually an Uber ride.
Yeah.
Somebody, me drive Uber and them pay me $65 for the ride and then the person tipped me $100.
Wow. Calabasas.
In
I
Calabasas.
feel like Calabasas was my first real, like having bridgings over there was my first, like when I really looked at a proper American gated community, that I was like, dog.
Oh, this is rich.
What do you mean you have a community where gated though? What do you really think about it? I could have never even accidentally walked past your yard.
Bro, you ever seen Hidden Hills? You know that Hidden Hills is right side Calabasas. You've just never seen it.
Hidden Hills?
Yes.
What do you mean?
There is a place,
a
whole
Hills?
community, Hidden Hills.
Okay.
Right beside Calabasas.
My brethren probably know about it for sure.
And Hidden Hills is amazing.
Yeah.
Hidden Hills, I went to exec's house, like a music exec house in Hidden Hills.
Yeah.
Me and my brethren, and I walk through the house. Me and Steven. I walk through the house. And Steven touched me and Steven said, yo, dog.
I've worked for the one.
Broke, you know.
yeah, bro.
I mean, I said, you a call me?
Bro.
Brother. Me depress. Come here and say, yo, what me I got to do forget them money?
Bro. Bro.
Depression a rock, dog. Somebody, but guess what, dog? It's just a level.
It's a motivation to where it's like, all right, this is achievable. Because this person achieved this in their lifetime, right? So it must be achievable.
So my time, you have to be thankful away there. Because,
true.
like, what day I'm there on show? And a brother, like, will say to me, yo, deal, you have money, you know? And me, I say, no.
You're like, no.
Money?
But you don't know film situation.
Me I struggle every day. Me I try to figure this out every day. Every day me I try. Oh, yo, me I feel shift out. Me I say, nigga, if you know my debt.
Yeah,
but for him, me probably way far along past him.
Him probably look for you like you are at least at the capability of balancing all the things you're balancing.
Exactly.
Because me can't do none of them something. You just have to figure out whatever me I do.
Figure out what the hell me I do. So it's just perspective because wherever you there, you are look forward.
Yeah. And then you could have forward in front of somebody else like,
You
yo,
can be
do that,
miles
you know?
ahead of somebody.
Yeah. They might look at you like, yo, I do that, you know. And you do that like, Jano, what may I do with myself?
But that's why sometimes you have to give thanks, brother.
Yeah, fully.
Brother, I got the beach. Just wash my car and park my car at the beach. And come out and rent a bicycle for $12 an hour. And a dog stop and him a talk to me. And the man I said to me, say, yo, why you cut your hair? I said, no, I'm cut it because I just want it, you know, different phase in my life. And him I say, yo, yeah, man. It's good, man. You got a lot to give thanks for, man. Make sure you give thanks. So what do you mean? Him I say, yeah, man. Sometimes you feel stressed, but look at what you have. Man say, hey, listen to me. Yo, you drive. You got a S560 right there. Black on black. You're at the beach. Your hair is lined. You got a fucking studio with equipment. You live in a nice house. You live in a nice apartment. You paying rent.
You doing it, man.
You know, you got a beautiful girl.
You know, somebody tell me one day, say, LA is so difficult that you will forget that surviving in LA is a goal in itself. So if we can do it like kind of comfortably, not
man say, bro, you just came from Europe. You was in Paris, Amsterdam. Like you just did UK. You just did shows. You need to be thankful, bro. I hope when you go to bed you pray at night, because you need to be thankful of everything, because you're blessed. Brother, the thing lit me like a big stone. Yo.
It's like John, oh, for real, you know?
The thing lit me like a big stone, brother. Me sit down and me, I say, yo.
Unprecedented, bro.
You have to give thanks.
Cause I'm sure you're doing things now that if you were to tell
10 years ago, I cannot tell myself what me I do right now isn't like, yo, you make it.
Yo, dog, you're doing it, bro. And you are. You know what I mean? It's like it's such a crazy thing when you have perspective, bro.
When it's somebody that is not seeing it. Because me cannot be like, yo, you know me I struggle me for pay this and me I worry about this and and it's just that it's just different problems.
Yeah. The problems never stop.
It just come in as some different form, brother.
Because I'm sure even the richest person when we know and think about it is like, all right, how can I be more involved with my family? Like, I'm sure they have problems that
them have problems.
where it's like, all right, now we have what we would have called real problems where them have all the money, but it not go fix.
Brother, we have to just give thanks, say, have life.
Straight.
And suffer. You know?
I mean, sometimes even tell you, sometimes even the sufferation.
Not even that bad.
Not even that bad, bro.
Like me, I can be worried like, oh, John, no, me I got to, oh, Lord, oh, Jesus, look how me I got to pay this. And some people can't even have it in the first place to pay for
Brother,
it.
I remember the first time I pay a rent, dog. And when I paid and I was at 0, right? I was like, all right, boom. I'm good till tomorrow. I don't really need nothing. I have food and everything already. I do a next thing tomorrow.
Me
make back some money tomorrow and And I was like, John, no, dog. But I got broke right now still, you know. Like, you don't have nothing else after this, you know. But I'm like, but dog, but you have that still, you know. One time you never have that, you know, dog.
But you pay all of your bills.
But you pay all of your bills now, you know, dog. It's not that you're not broke because you just don't have it, you know.
You're broke because you pay all of your bills.
Because you pay all of your bills. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's the perspective, you know. And
Sunday, I sit down and clear all of my credit card, and I just get up and I want to work.
the thing is like, all right, come, I need, yeah.
Because, and then same thing, perspective. Somebody said to me, no, but who would have thought? Look how much money you just pay for your bills them a while ago.
Brother, you know how much people still in a credit card debt for long?
Oh, no, me not that same way, but hey.
But we
could have paid something.
Yeah.
Crazy.
No,
so somebody, hey, people, trust me. Put things in a, hey, anytime when you sit down, I worry about something, just take yourself outside of yourself and look by yourself as if is another person. I deal, and you got feel so much thankful of where you reach.
And a lot of times it's just to look at this, even if, because sometimes it's a dire situation, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like, all right, it's easy for say you're grateful when things are right.
When everything good.
But me, I face it right now. But and I know it's hard for do, but sometimes you have to glad so you can't face it. You know what I mean?
Some problem good for have.
Yeah, and sometimes it's good to be able to be alive to have a problem.
Brother. Right, remember I said we see man, right? We there so right now and a man wants somewhere for living.
All right. All right, so going all the way back now, imagine you have a brother where him have a big legacy, a part of a big thing. And him don't have any issues as far as we know, you know. Dog is on vacation with him family and
him just lose him life because him one high tide come
and him
just take him away from him family.
Everything going great. Bro, did you see the last video that he posted?
Hey, rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Malcolm Jamal Warner.
Malcolm
you
Jamal.
know what I mean? The last video that he posted, bro, was such a light-hearted, like, angelic video almost.
What him say?
He was just like, him have a flower in him here. Him say, yo, him driving him just a spirit tell him for put this message on here. Him daughter give him one little flower and she put it in him here. So, you know, he's like, it's gonna stay there, right? And I just wanted to tell y'all to, you know, be good and be safe and, you know, I love y'all and I'll be back. And that was the last video he ever posted.
Them little thing that make you have to appreciate life, brother.
Give thanks, you know? I have to give thanks.
Because no matter, every time you cannot do something, you never know if I last time I do it.
Bro, you never know. You never know. You never know.
So sometimes we are kill off ourselves and we are in our mind we just have a goal for each and we just think about that goal, that goal, that goal.
Yeah.
And you never know.
But that's why sometimes too, it's important to even reanalyze those goals and see how important they are. Are they your
Are
goals?
they that important?
Are they even yours? Is that what you want to do? You know what I mean? Like, all right. You turn a doctor and, you know, you're good. You're doing your thing. Not to say that you shouldn't be a doctor if the world requires doctors. But what do you want to do though? Outside of that? You know what I mean? How do you want to spend your time? Do you want to look at watches? Do you want to go, like, what do you want to do? Do those things. And I feel like it gets more reasonable to do those things as you get older. Where you're just like, yeah, you know, life not promised to nobody. You've already made it this far. Maybe you need to start enjoying the things that you want to enjoy.
Crazy.
You know what I mean? Live the life how you want to live it. As long as it's not harming anybody.
As long as it's not harm nobody.
Yeah. But
trust me, people, our perspectives, crazy.
It's all about perspectives and gratitude. You know? So
people, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, me have my merch.
Son of an Immigrant merch.
Son of an Immigrant merch. Me have my show come up.
Yeah.
Long Island.
The Long Island show.
Long Island look like it got nice.
They got nice.
Long Island got nice. But me never enough. Me didn't miss out. Me have Long Island, me have Albany, me have Syracuse, me have New Jersey, me have Boston, me have whole heap of show this month.
Big up to all the places in New York that people don't think about when they think New York.
Like Albany and
like
Syracuse.
Albany and Syracuse. I'm like, right, that's all New York. People don't talk about them places.
Albany was so fun. Syracuse was so fun. It's like a little town.
Yeah.
It's brother, I love up there.
Albany is cool, man. Albany is cool.
Me do Albany and Syracuse, right? I did love the two of them, so I know me I gonna enjoy them again.
Okay. And I don't know Buffalo shows.
I think we might do Buffalo end of the year.
Okay. Yeah, man. Big up
More
Buffalo.
go there so in a cool time though.
you like the cold of Buffalo?
Yeah, I like touring September onwards.